Crown Solutions, comparing costs in Turkey and Europe. For dental treatment, crowns are among the most well-known alternatives for the restoration of dental teeth that are injured or have decayed. Crowns don't just enhance the look of your teeth, but they can also strengthen the teeth and protect them from further damage. The cost for receiving a crown varies substantially based on where you reside. In this clip, we'll look at the prices of crowns in Turkey as well as Europe in order to assist you in making an informed choice. Turkey has been a well-known location for dental tourism recently, as a lot of people travel there in order to avail top-of-the-line dental treatment that is a fraction of costs they have to pay in Europe. Crowns come in all shapes and sizes, as the price of a dental crown in Turkey is much lower than in Europe. In Turkey, one can anticipate to shell out anywhere from $200 to $600 to get a crown, depending upon the materials used as well as how complicated the procedure. In Europe, costs for crowns can be wildly different based on which country you're located in. For instance, in countries like UK, Germany, and France and Germany, the price for crowns could be in excess of $1,000. It is the most expensive option when looking to get dental procedures done. But in other nations, like Hungary and Poland, in which the cost of crowns is cheaper, with rates that range from $300 to $800. Then, what is the reason for so much disparity in the value of crowns among Turkey in comparison to Europe? There are many things to take into consideration. The first is that the price to live in Turkey is significantly cheaper than the majority of European nations, meaning dentists have the ability to provide their services for an affordable cost. Furthermore, a lot of dental practices within Turkey have invested in the latest equipment and technology, which allows the clinics to offer top-quality treatment with a lesser cost. Another thing to think about is the rate at which currency exchanges. In the last few years, the Turkish lira has been depreciating significantly over the past few years, which makes it cheaper for foreigners to receive dental procedures done in Turkey. That, along with the cost of living being lower and the lower cost of living, has led to Turkey a preferred location for tourists seeking to lower the cost of their dental procedures. In deciding on where you can get crowns, it's essential to think about not only costs, but also level of service you'll receive. Although Turkey could have lower rates, however, you must study the dentist and clinic that you're planning to visit in order for a guarantee that they comply with internationally accepted standards of treatment. There are many dental clinics that located in Turkey serve international clients with English-speaking staff in order so that the procedure is easier for those from abroad. Receiving a crown, having a crown Turkey could be an affordable solution for patients who want to lower the cost of their dental treatment. Prices are significantly lower than those in Europe and top-quality treatment available. Turkey has become a very popular place to visit for dental treatment. But it's important to study the dental clinic or dentist that you're planning to visit so that you can receive the highest quality of care. If you can compare the prices of crowns within Turkey as well as Europe, it is possible to take a shrewd decision on which dental procedure done.